Hi, in this short training we're going to learn how to use the digital checks. First, you need to go to the menu here, settings, digital check settings, and enter your API. You get this from their system and from your account with them. The API secret code, you can enter if you want a default amount and a default description, and be sure that if you're testing, use the sandbox, and if you are gonna start really charging clients, you're gonna use a live option. Then here is gonna be a button. We don't have the button at this moment because this is a beta version that I'm doing the video with, but it's gonna be a button that you can click to sign up with the digital checks. Obviously you click save after you enter the data. So the first thing obviously will be to sign up with them and then enter the data here. So then going back to the contacts here, let's say that you want to request, because the big difference with the digital checks is that you're going to request the money from your client, and it can be even of recurrent nature. So here you see at the right of the red gavel you have kind of a small check, and here, okay, so you see here Modi Sandbox. Go to this to change this if you want, obviously, to change it, and you can overwrite the amount, overwrite the description. If the default is not correct, you can make it recurrent. If you agree with your client that they will accept to be recurrent, so you can request recurrent, and then you have the interval, which is weekly or monthly, and the start date, which by default, if you leave it empty, is going to be today, and then, well, could be whatever it is. If it's forever, it's going to be indefinite, or if it's going to be a number of months or weeks, depending of the interval. More common is request just one, and then you will send the request. It's as simple as that. Then your client must have an email. You see, check request sent to client, but I want to point out that when you enter here in this button again, you're gonna see the email of your client, okay, and which is the email that you have for your client. So you can click with a shift here if you want to make it really fast, and enter something if you don't have the data. And that's pretty much that. Your client's gonna receive the request, and if he agrees to pay you, well, he's gonna do it. My suggestion is that you do a test with a record where you had put your own email, so you're gonna receive the request and you can see how it works. And because it is a sandbox, nothing is gonna be charged, so so that is perfectly safe as long as it is sandbox. Okay, thank you.